Eskom is in a death spiral. We all know that Eskom's current trajectory of tariff increases is unsustainable. In a competitive market, any normal business would survive by cutting costs. Instead, Eskom refuses to trim the fat and just keeps bloating. Eskom's escalations is at its breaking point. Massive tariff hikes push high value customers off the grid and onto solar. Then, as sales drop, it is forced to raise prices even higher for the remaining poorer customers to cover its fixed cost. This creates a classic death spiral. That in turn destroys the competitiveness of energy intensive sectors like mining, farming, and manufacturing. You cannot run a sustainable utility when your prices skyrocket and your actual sales volume steadily shrinks. So, as a consumer, are you going to wait for and watch the crash or go independent before the rush and the inevitable price premiums that will go with it? So, see GreenPro Consulting's other shorts to escape the carnage.